Hey everyone, this is Abel in Vegas coming to you today with a recap video for a Super Jumbo 2018 Bowman Draft box. So let's start with some of the inserts. We had franchise futures for the Royals, Brady Singer and Jackson Howard. For Detroit, we have Casey Mize and Cody Clemens. For the Reds, we have Jonathan India and Mike Ciani. For the Yankees, Anthony Siegler and Josh Bro. For the Seattle Mariners, Logan Gilbert and Josh Stowers. Then we have the recommended viewing inserts. These are just base parallels. Mike Schnell for the Rays and Jake McCarthy for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Then we have Grant Levine and Grayson Janista. We have Griffin Conine and Josh Stowers. Then we have Casey Mize and Brady Singer. We have a Nick Madrigal and Jonathan India. And then we did pull a refractor for the recommended viewing. And this is numbered out of 250. So that's Owen White for the Rangers and Tim Cate for the Nationals. Then we have the Bowman Sterling inserts. This is the refractor of Jared Kelenic. And then the throwback Bowman inserts for Casey Wise, number 1 draft pick. Then we have, Alec Baum for the Phillies. We have Jonathan India for the Reds. We have Ryan Weathers for the Padres. And then we have some of the base refractors. This is the first Bowman of Ezequiel Pena. So these are all the 2018 draft picks that I pulled from just this one box. We have Levi Kelly, Juwan Harris, Rynel Delgado, Matt Mercer, Grant Koch, Jonathan Stever, Grant Witherspoon, Ryder Green, Cole Roederer, Grant Little, Tim Cate, Brennan Davis, Osiris Johnson, Braxton Ashcraft, let's see, Simeon Woods Richardson, Shane McClanahan, Anthony Siegler, Travis Swaggerty, Jared Kelenic, and Jonathan India. Now I was able to pull pretty much almost the entire base set. The paper set, this is what it looks like. I was only missing BD number 150, but the base set is 200 cards, so the only one I did not pull was number 150. And then the Bowman Chrome version of the base. That one I think I don't have an exact count, but I do need, I feel like about 60 cards to complete the Bowman Chrome set. So pretty cool. Then for some of the color inserts that I did get, number 2 499, O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates. Then also number 2 499 is Levi Kelly. Then we pulled a purple paper of Griffin Conine. And one of the cool things is he is the son of Jeff Conine. So you could tell right there in the text it tells you. So that's pretty neat. This was number 203 of 250. And then in blue paper, numbered 73 of 150, we pulled this Jazz Chisholm. And then for the purple, for the refractor chrome colors, I have this purple. This one's number 23 of 250 for Brian Lavastiva. Then in blue refractor, we have Adonis Medina, number 69 of 150. And then in the base, we pulled a gold Jonathan Ornelas, number 18 of 50. And then I did get 5 autos. So the first auto is Ethan Hawkins, and he was the 35th overall pick in the first round for the Cleveland Indians. And this is a purple parallel, number 154 of 250. My next auto, this one is for Daniel Lynch. Now he was the 34th overall pick in the first round. He was picked by the Kansas City Royals, and he is a pitcher. So this is just the base autograph. Pretty neat autograph. Then my third autograph, this is for the 17th overall pick. He was first round for the Anaheim Angels, of Jordan Adams. Base auto. He almost made it out of the card, but I think he is in the card, so that's literally taken into the edge. So Jordan Adams, base. Then the next auto that I pulled was for the 5th overall pick in 2018 for the Reds, Jonathan India. So this is also the base auto. And then the final auto that I got, this is for the 4th overall pick. He was taken by the White Sox in the first round of 2018, and as you can tell back here, this is a refractor, so it is numbered 425 of 499 for Nick Madrigal. So overall, I'm getting 3 autos for top 10 picks. I think that is a pretty good box. Pretty awesome for this Christmas break today. So hope everybody had a good Christmas, and thanks you guys for watching.